WLKY weather with meteorologist Eric Zernick.
The weather the past several days has just been absolutely fantastic. I hope you've been able to get out there and enjoy it the past few days with those temperatures in the 70s, and this afternoon we made it up to 64 degrees. Now things are clearing out, and I do think we'll get cool tonight, maybe even a little chilly to get our Friday started, but it does look like another warm and windy day for our Friday. We could be talking wind gusts well into the 30s like we saw this afternoon. And then we are going to turn much cooler for the weekend. I hope you didn't put away those heavy coats because you're likely going to need to break them back out, especially Sunday morning. We could be topping temperatures down into the mid-20s across the area. But let's take a look at those wind gusts that we're expecting for tomorrow. Won't be too bad as you're out the door tomorrow morning. We're looking at gusts at just about 10 miles an hour. But as the day progresses, those winds will begin to pick up. And I think as we get into the afternoon, we'll be looking at steady wind gusts around 27 here in town. 30 easily expected for just about everyone as we push into the second half of our day as a weak system will be approaching. Not going to bring any rain with it, but it's definitely going to squeeze things together and get those winds whipping around as we push into the second half of our Friday. So you will need to hang on to those hats as you're out and about, maybe for your Friday evening. Right now, though, it is a very pleasant night across the region. You can see clear skies, temperatures still hanging on to the 50s at 52. Under those clear conditions. Still a touch breezy out of the west-northwest at 13, but still not much of a feels-like temperature because we're still fairly mild. But again, I do expect things to get pretty cool tonight. All of us will wake up to, I think, 30s to get our Friday started. So just know out the door you're going to need to grab the jacket, but things do rebound pretty quickly. We're up to 46 degrees by 10 o'clock, pushing the mid-50s by lunchtime with lots of sunshine. So another day, you'll need the sunglasses. And like today, we should make it into the mid-60s. But again, we'll be watching for those wind gusts up to about 35 miles an hour through the second half of our Friday. So you can see heading to much of our Friday, plenty of sunshine. Those winds beginning to pick up ahead of a little weak system that's going to move through. You can see it's a dry front, just maybe producing a few high clouds late tomorrow evening, but it's not going to have any rain. It's too dry to squeeze any of that out. Behind this, though, we are going to be talking some chillier conditions heading into the weekend. So here's that cold air up to the north that's going to spill down Friday behind that front. And so for Saturday, it's going to be markedly colder across the region with those highs nearly 20 degrees colder. That air sticks with us. So even in the Sunday, not much of a warm up. It's not until we head into next week that we get that cold air shoved back up to the north and east, and we begin to get a southerly breeze pushing in some milder temperatures again. So your weekend forecast looks like this. A mix of sun and clouds, but cooler, just 44 for a high on Saturday. Sunday looks even colder, a high of just 42 degrees. But again, at least we should have plenty of sunshine. So if you need to get the car washed, you're still going to have the opportunity to do that both days this weekend. You're just going to need the jacket as you're out and about running some of those errands. 52 degrees by Monday with a mix of sun and clouds. And then we are looking at that next chance for some rain moving in late Tuesday night into Wednesday. Could bring us a few stronger storms and maybe some severe weather. We'll have to keep an eye on that, but definitely something we're watching on that 7-day. But in the meantime, another nice day out there for tomorrow. It has been much needed after the cold weather we've had this winter.
We say goodbye to February on a good note.
That we do, yes.
All right, thanks, Eric.